Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
State President ka BJP Rikman Ji Momin henne kasni ka khat sautrik ujleu arhajar apusan habakran matkilat pathai kubor ulong bakat kumbalai I bat yo ai jing pan map jong ki katuk ani ki kinhun lat pathai kubor ki banabar ka jela ki bakan tho klem nong rim ya ka jela Meghalaya na kalyang ka jong ulong ban pen pau marwei kamdon jing mentoi ai namar ka jing sha pen but nam sniu kala pau perthai bat kala sapriang lupa bat suki kini kilat pathai kubor kilas dang man pan map ya kajela na kalyang ka BJP ru kala persyang ban Ïatreilang ha ka ban wat ki arngut ki Shikurim kata ka sunam Raghuvanshi bat uraja Raghuvanshi ki balaja rangai ha ubanai baladep kaseng kala Ïatreilang bat ki pulit ki MLA ki kanhun menteri kajela Madhya Pradesh lembat ka sarkar Meghalaya.
Already seen, and we are getting all the apologies from other media groups also. See, I alone reacting to that is no use. Na? It is already Meghalaya has been done, our image is already gone out. So slowly, I think they have started apologizing to the state of Meghalaya. So from state of BJP, we will say we are also trying to work it out. When this Raghuvan Singh was missing, that time some state from Madhya Pradesh also they were contacting me. So our MLA and cabinet minister, he was following up with the government. So we have been in touch with him.